Want to work these? Do these. 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 Want to work these? Do these.
If you're struggling to grow your arms, then you need to be doing this dumbbell only arm workout. It's easy to do, it's limited equipment, and it's going to take your arms from these skinny little chopsticks into these massive girthy pythons. So first up, we're starting off with the biceps, and we're going to go with an incline dumbbell curl. This exercise is slowly becoming one of the most popular bicep exercises, and for good reason. I've spoke about it plenty of times. If you still haven't tried it, then please give it a go. Next up, we've got the hammer curl. This is going to give you the thickness in the bicep, and it's also going to give you thick forearms, so why would you not want to do it? Last up, we've got a preacher curl with a dumbbell. If you haven't got the use of a bench, then just try and use your sofa, use your leg, just use anything. Triceps can be a little bit tricky to target with dumbbells, but here are my top 3 exercises. So first up, we've got the skull crusher. Now this is actually insane with dumbbells because you get the free movement with the wrist, and it just feels really nice on your elbows and doesn't give you that cramp that you normally get. Next up, we've got an overhead dumbbell extension. Last but not least, we've got the tricep kickback. Now this exercise isn't the best, but if you do use a lightweight, then you are going to feel the contraction.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की
Alright, quick tip, if you want to grow your abs, stop doing all these fancy exercises that keep your back in a flat position. Even though you might feel a burn, oftentimes it's just your hip flexors, as doing this results in nothing more than an isometric contraction for your abs. So if you really want to grow them, you need to lengthen and shorten the muscle by rounding your back through lumbar flexion, as this is how your abs actually work to contract. So either bring your pelvis up to your sternum like during a leg raise, where you are lifting your glutes off the floor to actually flex your spine, or bring your sternum down to your pelvis like during a cable crunch, where you are keeping your hips in a neutral position and driving your chest down.
I've been lifting for over 6 years now, and this is a split that has brought me the best results. It's a mix of PPL and Arnold and has been my main cutting split for the past 2 years. First day, Monday, push day, targeting chest, shoulders, and triceps in that order. Tuesday, legs, quad strength focused, moving heavy weight, more sets, less reps. Wednesday, chest and back, crazy upper body pump, alternate every exercise with each muscle group. Thursday, delts and arms, keep it intense by short rest times, goal is pump focused. Friday, legs, hamstring, and glutes focused, with an emphasis on hypertrophy, so higher rep and shorter rest times. Saturday, pull day, targeting back, biceps, and rear delts in that exact order. Sunday, Jesus day, we rest, then repeat.
People who train every day don't want to train every day. They are not motivated to train every day. They are something else. Motivation is the wrong word. They are not motivated. They are disciplined.
Andrew.
Disciplined.